After another pleasant breakfast at the Yangzhou Chen family garden, we packed up and checked out. Then we took a taxi past the Guilin Romance Park to visit a village, Xing Ping ancient town. The Xing Ping ancient town had narrow cobblestone streets, flanked by old buildings with plenty of souvenir shops. An interesting water buffalo horn product store, a cat souvenir store, lots of interesting decorative details on the old buildings, with modern conveniences overlaid, coffee and tea shops, traditional costume rentals for photos, a local cat, and a caricature artist. Who did this amusing caricature of us. Leading out of the village was a wobbly floating bridge while a replacement was being constructed. We walked along the banks of the Li River, with its famous Kast limestone mountains. We saw these new energy electric-powered bamboo river rafts. Further along the river, there was a landing with several fishermen's rafts. These were a number of bamboo rafts which were pulled up on the landing for photos. One can pay 10 yuan to pose for a picture with a fisherman's hat and the cormorants on a pole. For more elaborate photos with traditional dress and props, photographers were charging 100 yuan and paying for the boat rental. Fishing with cormorants was formerly a traditional activity along the Li River. But nowadays it has devolved into a tourist attraction, with many people posing with various props for their photos. This particular stretch of the Li River is famous, as it has been immortalized on the back of the Chinese 20 Yuan note. Thus, many people were taking pictures with the notes. Or enlarged versions of the note, including me. We took the opportunity to fly the drone and captured these beautiful images. Some showing the heavy boat traffic along this stretch of the river. It was getting late and approaching dusk. So we hung around to get some sunset pictures on the river. After another delightful day, we took a taxi to the city of Guilin, the next stop on our tour of Guangxi province. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment.